Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, how are you today? Welcome to the sixth sessions of the online tutorial. This week, you are going to learn about cover letters and curriculum vitae. Cover letters is a letter to apply a job. In cover letter, there are 4 paragraphs, such as address and that laid out, and uh, the second opening salutations, the third body paragraph, and the last closing salutations. Next is curriculum vitae. In CV, there are many important points that you have to pay attention. Not only that, you will give tips to write a good CV. You can find this week's topic in Module 7. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to write a cover letters in English and identify the parts of curriculum vitae. Please study the material and enrichment link below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 6 and submit the assignment 2 if you haven't. Okay, remember the due dates for submit the assignment 2. Okay, good luck student. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.